Ever go blank mid-conversation? That sudden, quiet panic where the words just disappear. One moment you're talking, the next, your mind is a complete void. It's frustrating, it's embarrassing, and for those of us with social anxiety, it can feel like a personal failure, but it's not. Today, we're building a toolkit with the real, actual words to say in that moment, fast. Just a quick note, this podcast is for educational purposes only and isn't a substitute for professional advice. So, first things first, when your mind goes blank, do not panic. I know, easier said than done, but understand this. Going blank is a normal biological response. It's your brain's ancient threat detection system kicking into overdrive. It perceives social judgment as a danger and hits the emergency brake, the freeze response. Your brain is trying to protect you, not sabotage you. It's wearing a little helmet, trying to keep you safe. Recognizing this shifts the feeling from "I'm broken" to "my body is reacting." Now, in that frozen moment, here's your first move, a 3-second physical reset. It's a tiny action that tells your nervous system the danger has passed. 1. Let out a slow, quiet exhale. Don't worry about the inhale, just let the air go. 2. Consciously drop your shoulders. They're probably up by your ears. Let them fall. 3. Look at one single neutral object in the room, a lamp, a pattern on the rug, anything. By focusing your senses on something real and external, you break the internal anxiety loop. Exhale, drop, look. That's your reset. Okay, you've reset your body. Now you need a moment for your brain to catch up. You need to buy time with a simple pre-memorized line. The key is to pick just one of these and have it ready, so you don't have to think. Option A is the echo. You simply repeat the last few words the other person said back to them as a question. If they say, "And that's why we're launching the project next quarter," you say, "Next quarter?" It confirms you were listening, it prompts them to elaborate, and it gives you a crucial few seconds for your own thoughts to resurface. Option B is the simple truth. Just be honest, but calm. A simple, I just lost my train of thought. One sec. That's it. No big apology. It's incredibly humanizing, and most people are completely understanding. It lowers the pressure because you've acknowledged the pause instead of trying to awkwardly hide it. Option C is the bridge. This one is brilliant because it shifts the focus back to them gracefully. Just say, "That's interesting. Tell me more about that." It's an invitation for them to keep talking, which takes all the conversational weight off of you while you fully recalibrate. So, you've used your buy time line. What next? You pivot to a question. Keep the conversation moving by asking a safe, open-ended follow-up. The simplest formula is to use who, what, how, or why. Who else was involved in that? What was the biggest challenge? How did you get started? These questions can't be answered with a simple yes or no, so they keep the conversation flowing away from you. If you're still stuck for a topic, remember the acronym FORD: family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. These 4 pillars are almost universally safe and relatable topics. You can gently pivot to one of them. Speaking of hobbies, what do you do when you're not working? Now, if you're in a group, it's even easier. Use the handoff. Turn to someone else and say, "What do you think about that, Sarah?" It's like passing a conversational baton. It gracefully takes the spotlight off of you and includes someone else in the dialogue. The pressure just releases. But what if, despite all this, your anxiety is still spiking? That's when you take the kind exit. This isn't failure, it's self-care. Have a polite exit line ready. "Excuse me, I'm just going to grab a glass of water. I'll be right back." It's a perfectly normal thing to do. It gives you a reason to step away, and it promises a return, which keeps it from feeling abrupt. Finally, the long-term fix for a blank mind isn't about memorizing 100 lines. It's about building confidence through practice. Start with tiny exposures. Your goal for the day might be simply to ask one person one question: a cashier, a coworker, anyone. Each tiny, successful interaction is like a deposit in your confidence bank. Over time, that confidence grows, and the fear that causes you to freeze begins to shrink. So let's make this real.
Out of the 3 main buy time lines we covered, which one feels the most natural for you to try first? The echo, the simple truth, or the bridge? Pick one, just one. Having a plan is the first step to taking back the conversation and quieting the panic. You've got this.